Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to find an account by phone number on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, ensure that the person number is saved on your phone. Open Instagram and click on your profile icon, the bottom right corner of the page. Tap the menu located in the top right corner of your profile page. Press Discover People and then Connect. Next to Connect, tap Connect. In the pop-up screen that appears, hit Allow Access. Scroll through the list of names displayed in the Suggest for Your screen. Click on the username of the person you are looking for. You have now found your friend on Instagram using their phone number. And that's it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more new videos. Till then friends, stay safe, stay healthy.